Hey guys, Levi for the Rag Company, and in today's video, we are going to be using Solution Finish on these old Toyota running boards. All right, so Solution Finish is an amazing product, and one of the great things about it is that it can last up to 2 years on the surface that you put it on, meaning that if you do this to your running boards, there's a good chance if you take care of them, you can get almost 2 years of rich restoration on those plastic parts. So I'm gonna show you guys exactly how we're gonna do this. So first things first, we're just gonna soak the plastic in a good layer of panel wipe. We're gonna let that sit for a little bit. What it's gonna do is it's gonna hopefully strip any of the leftover waxes and oils that are in that plastic, as well as any of the old protectants. We're just gonna wipe it down. You can see all the dirt and grime that it's pulling out. All right, so first things first, you want to make sure that you shake up your Solution Finish. You want to make sure you hear that rattling. So in the Solution Finish kit, you'll find our 3x5 black applicator sponge, so you don't feel bad about destroying your other applicators. And then what I have here is just a black Creature Edgeless. You can use any type of towel that you want. I usually recommend a towel that you're gonna be throwing away anyway. You can keep it, but it doesn't really make sense. So I plan on sacrificing a towel specifically for Solution Finish. And we literally just apply it. And I like to make sure that I get it worked in as best I can. If you get it on the paint, two things. You can mask off the area prior to applying Solution Finish, or if you're fast, you can see I got it like, we'll just do this. Get some on the body or on the chrome here. It wipes off extremely easily, doesn't damage or hurt the paint, but don't let it sit. So if you get some on, wipe it off. After we've done that, I mean, you can already see the difference between the two spots. One of the big things about it is you're just gonna let it sit. I like to let it sit for about 20 to 30 minutes. Let the product do its job where it actively bonds with the plastic. So then you can take your microfiber towel, knock it down. Okay, you're gonna wipe everything down, wipe it off, make sure that it looks right. If there are any spots that maybe it didn't penetrate, that is your chance to then reapply. Now that we're done with the application on this Toyota pickup, two things to remember when you're getting ready to put your Solution Finish away in your towels. Number one, lay your towels out outside on a flat surface for at least 24 hours before you dispose of them. That way, you make sure that the product is dry inside the towel before you put it in the trash. Second, make sure that you secure the lid on your bottle of Solution Finish. I cannot stress this enough. Too many people, including myself, have left a bottle just slightly loose and watched it tumble off of our shelves or out of our rack or something where it's tipped over, and now you have a nice black puddle hanging out inside your cabinet or your shelf or on the garage floor or on the side of a car. Point is, secure the cap, make sure it's on tight before you put your bottle away. And it's that easy. So on this truck, our last step, we're gonna wait about 24 hours, and then I'm gonna put on Solution Finish over the top to make sure that we got a nice sealant on there that'll help protect it for the rest of the months. I know a lot of people ask, can I ceramic coat over the top of this? Yes, you can. However, when you ceramic coat it, you are building a barrier over a porous surface, which means, yes, it will protect it, but if it's something that you plan on keeping for a long time on a restored piece of plastic, it doesn't always last very long. So you can use Solution Finish's over the top sealer. What this is a simple 3 to 6 month sealer that you just continually reapply over the top, keeping the pores open so that basically every 6 months you can reapply over the top. However, if you want to go back over and reapply some Solution Finish, you totally can do that, where if you had ceramic coated it, there's a good possibility that it won't be able to work. All right guys, so there you have it. As always, make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. And if you have a different application method, put it in the comments below. That way we can help everyone out. And don't forget to watch Juan's video of this in Spanish. And as always guys, stay tuned right here for more videos, the Rag Company YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.